Atenção! É agora que o bicho vai pegar! Pancadão! 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 Pancadão!
not Dougie Fresh, and this ain't Lottie Dottie, and I'm here to ask you just, do you wanna party? Wore white sheets and rock the Ku Klux Klan. So don't ever doubt us or think we're soft. And all of you envious people just step on off. There'll be no zigzag lines, all straight up, right. And that's how it'll be when I'm on the mic. So set your record levels at a high peak range, so nothing that I say can sound ill or strange. Yes, I am young and I have my youth, but all you really should do is just acknowledge the truth. I'm like Sherlock Holmes, your #1 rhyme sleuth. So clear the air and jam real hard, cause all I wanna do is ask you, do you wanna party? You'll be on the dance floor like the B in Bugatti. We'll make you move your body like the A in my name. We'll be running this game like the D as well. We'll be leaving our trail like the E as it ever. We'll be rocking together. Everybody who wants to party, let me hear you say. With a color on our rhymes that you cannot steal. We got a 3-man posse, #1 on the charts. We just like crazy glue, we stick and can't depart. All the girlies like the job because our beats are so fresh. Cause rockin' with HEy is rockin' with the best. Eddie B is in the back spinning the tables for you. Does over 20 different cuts before this jam is through. Go ahead, get busy. Go ahead, get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Get busy. Get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Get busy. Get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Go busy. Go busy. Go ahead and get busy. Get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Get busy. Go ahead and get busy. Go ahead and get busy now. Go ahead and get busy. Get busy. Get busy.
Now you walk me to my house and you open up the door, and the reason why I brought you there's to clean up the floor. So you push me on the bed, and boy, you can bet you both got on your knees and got your tongue wet. So you grabbed me by my thighs and you moved up truly. You both jump up and said, can we grab your booty? grab my booty cause I won't grab you. Don't grab my booty cause it's not the thing to do. Gucci, you're through. Gucci, you're through. So you ran out the house cause you had enough to eat. Grab the toothpick and clean out your teeth. TFS and CV, I know you want more. When you come back to my house, you better make sure. Gucci, you're through. Gucci, you're through. Gucci is the crew that likes to play, and if you want what I have, Gucci is okay. They'll come to your house every day of the week, even at night, cause it's you they wanna eat. Gucci wants a girl they can call their own, but they can never make a call cause they don't have a phone. Disco Rick, you better teach them cause they need to be taught. Never try me again when the thing is too short. Gucci, you're through. Wait, break.
That girl, that girl, that girl, Sally, that girl, that girl, Sally, that girl, Sally,
Wait a second, sucker niggers, don't come back till you think it's bigger.
that girl, Sally, that girl, Sally, that girl, Sally, Sally.
Cut it up.
jam is way out, way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out. This is a way out jam. It's a way out girl. The ones that are constantly rocking your world with the hype, the cut, and the slamming beat that makes you other girls sound oh so weak. But that's okay. We know how it is. JJ Fad brings the breeze in the rapping biz. This jam is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
I've got something to say.
What?
I'm kinda mad.
Oh yeah?
It's coming from the one and only JJ Fad. You may try to back, you may try to diss. That just lets us know who's running this. Yeah, we're getting stupid, and there's no doubt that this here jam is just so way out.
This jam is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
Sassy.
We're busting the chart every week,
And we'll stay on top.
and you know that we are free.
We're here to please. So get on your knees and pray to be like us before you take your Z's. We have a classy style that's worth your while. So sit back and relax and let us get you
This jam
right.
is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out.
Now that you know what we're talking about, say what?
Then you too can be way out.
The W is for wild. The A is amazing.
The Y is for you suckers that are perpetrating.
The O is for outstanding.
And the U is for unique. The T is for too bad your jam is so weak. This jam is way out. You vacancies are on your way out, way out. Too bad you're on your way out. This jam is this jam is this jam is way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out.
One and only JJ Fad.
Way out, way out, way out. This jam is way out, way out, way out.
just the way it goes. And once again, it's live. I'll pin your ass to the 9-5. Fellas, you gotta have money. If you want this honey, it ain't funny. You know what I mean? Come clean with the federal green. So give up the loot. If you wanna knock the boots. Cause one thing I can't stand is a short man. Can't knock off in the house. That quad off in your mouth. And that's on the real, so believe me. You can keep that tEEnie. Don't want no. I don't need no. I can't use no. Back on up with that. Here we go now. Don't want no. Don't need no. I don't want no. That look too old. Don't need no. I don't want no. I can't use no. Look too tEEnie. New York boys got, Miami boys got, LA boys got, Chi-Town boys got, Texas boys got, Detroit boys got, Carolina boys got, Kentucky boys got, New York boys got, Miami boys got, LA boys got, Chi-Town boys got, Texas boys got, Detroit boys got, Carolina boys got, Kentucky boys got, New York boys got, Miami boys got, LA boys got, Chi-Town boys got, Texas boys got, Detroit boys got, Carolina boys got, Kentucky boys got, New York boys got, Miami boys got, LA boys got, Chi-Town boys got, Texas boys got, Detroit boys got, Carolina boys got, Kentucky boys got. So give up the loot if you wanna knock the boot. So give up the loot if you wanna knock the boot. So give up the loot if you wanna knock the boot. So give up the loot if you wanna knock the boot. Don't want no, don't need no, can't use no. Look too tEEnie, can't use no. Don't need no, can't use no. Back on up with that. Don't want no, don't need no, can't use no. Look too tEEnie, can't use no. Don't need no, can't use no. Back on up with that.
Mickey is a girl that I like to be with. Brown skin, curly hair, and real soft lips. I like to wine and dine her any chance that I have. After that, we'll take a walk with chuckles and laughs. And for lunch, we'll go to brunch at 1,000 a plate. This is my lady, not my baby, and the one I'll take to be signed as I incline with this rhyme. Mickey's mine, my forever death lover, yeah, round Valentine. Mickey's mine. MC Rock the Dominator, dominating on stage. DJ Fierce, debonair, and we're about getting paid. Plus, I can prove points why Nikki is mine. And if proving doesn't do it, then just step in the line. I'll blow an MC away in any second he stand. Take my girl by the arm off the fantasy land. Sit and wonder with thoughts, point at things in the sky. Grab and tell you that I love you as I look in your eyes. Cause you're the one that I trust. For you it's love and not lust. My love, I gotta have you, girl, and to me it's a must. I know your love is strong, guaranteed to last long. I love you truly, Nikki, so I'm singing this song. Nikki's mine. before me, and when I'm down aboard, you would call up lonely. You really think about me, I can tell when you're near, and if you're not standing next to me, I'm on my way there. Girl, I gotta be with you, my lips gotta kiss you. Understand and tell you how much I really love you. You are the one, and I give you the best. I love you more, love you strong, always, not less. You're mine. Let there be. DeBonarE, take it to the max.
toca as melhores. As melhores.
DJ Alisson.